So this is the current state underneath my sink. It's just messy and hard to find things. So I ordered these stackable organizers. They came with everything that you need to put together. There is 2 of them. I got the 2-pack option because I need all the space I can get underneath my sink. These are super easy to put together. Everything came together with its little, the one that it corresponds with. Everything just matched up, really easy to understand. I had these together easily in less than 5 minutes and was able to start organizing underneath my sink. I really love the top of these because they come with these little sliders that you'll see in a second. They come with 3 or 4 of these, so you can organize these however you like. I only ended up putting in 2 of these because that was really all I needed. This is what they look like all put together, and what a difference from what I started with. I really love that the underneath portions slide out, so I have access to the whole thing without having to dig underneath my sink, which is nice. And it has these little containers that sit in the front for hair ties or little extras, things that you use often that you don't want to dig for. Really great way to organize.